A standoff that threatened to get violent, the residents of Mumbai's Campacola colony finally surrendered their residence yesterday. Evictions from those illegal flats will begin today.
Well, with their human shield effort no longer of any use against the full force of the law, affected residents only hope that they'll be allowed to return once the proverbial dust settles. While they don't have a plan B in place, remains to be seen what they actually do.
An end to the 18-month-long Campacola standoff. After a bitter battle with the BMC, the residents of the society have finally relented. The occupants of 102 flats will now allow the civic body to initiate the evacuation drive. BMC officials will disconnect electricity, water and gas connections. The breakthrough was achieved after a series of negotiations with the BMC, after a meeting with Maharashtra CM Prithviraj Chavan.
We would like to abide by the Supreme Court orders, definitely. We are law-abiding citizens. हम लोग चीफ मिनिस्टर जी के साथ मिलकर आए हैं की तरफ से आज एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ ये हुआ कि जब हम लोगों ने बोला कि we are willing to now give up the fight, we are willing to give up our homes, we are willing to let the BMC do what they want to do. तो उन्होंने भी हाथ बढ़ाया.
While the residents finally gave in, they had prevented BMC officials from entering the complex for 3 days in a row.
फोर्स का इस्तेमाल करना यह ऑप्शन तो हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, लेकिन हम थोड़ी सी अभी उनको वक्त दिया, हमने चर्चा आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं, तो हम थोड़ा सा वक्त दिया, थोड़ी आधा घंटे का, तो हम वापस बात करेंगे और उचित निर्णय ले लेंगे बाद में.
In a last-ditch attempt, the residents had even approached the president and had managed to get backing of the opposition. Last year in June, the Supreme Court had asked occupants across 35 illegal floors in 7 buildings to vacate their homes. The flats were built by builders without the permission from BMC and hence were declared illegal. With Amruta Shetge in Mumbai, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Our colleague Amrita now joins us live from the Campacola Society in Mumbai. Amrita, finally end game today after a really long battle, but residents still hopeful that the state government will perhaps intervene?
Yes, residents are still hopeful, but there's a very less chance of that. Today BMC officers will come here and they will disconnect the water, electricity and gas supply here in 102 illegal flats. I have with me Mr. Verma, who is 91 years old and he bought this flat in 1980. So 1985. So would like to ask you, what will you do now? Because BMC officers will come today and they'll disconnect the electricity
I don't
and
know what to do. I am myself at a loss what to do. I have to vacate this house. What more I can do? But there's any other alternative? Tell me. I have to vacate now. At least I'll go and live with the other son. But what about other members of my son, daughter-in-law and other grandson? What best should they do?
You came from Pakistan, right?
Yes, in 1947 I migrated from Pakistan, but have been living in Bombay since 41. Just see, this is another Pakistan for me. Just how painful is there to vacate your house where you have lived for 25 years. Now where to go also at that time? At that time government made arrangement for the people who migrated from Pakistan. But who is going to make arrangement for us now? What is our fault? One should tell now what mistake we have committed. Why we are asking to vacate this flat? Is it illegal construction? It took 5 years to build it. No BMC stopped people. Nobody did it. And now they find that it is illegal building.
What did the builder tell you when you bought this flat in 1985?
1985, when I went to Gupta, I myself went it, paid money also, advance money. He showed me the plan which is 20 floor building. And I never knew that it is illegal. God alone knows what is legal and illegal. And construction went on, and in 88 or 89 the building got completed. That time he gave the possession. Nobody at that time told us so this is illegal building. It is not built in one
So
month.
this
1 month or
is
2 months,
very
2
painful
years.
for the residents here because today they have to vacate their flats. Today BMC officers will come here and disconnect the water, electricity and gas supply. Back to you.
Right, Amrita, thanks for that live update. We will keep coming back to you for more.